How are you today? Let's sing the days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day special and every day new. Fantastic. How many days are there in a week? In a full sentence with there are? Well done. There are 7 days in a week. Your turn. Well done. What day is it today? Today is Monday. Your turn. Well done. What day comes after Monday? Tuesday. And after Tuesday? Wednesday. And after Friday? Saturday. And after Saturday? Sunday. And Saturday and Sunday are called the weekend. That's right, because we're not at school on Saturday and Sunday. They're the end of the week, the 2 days we have at home to rest. Remember what day comes before. Before means the day before the day that we're talking about. So the day that comes before Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What did I just say before Wednesday? Tuesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Well done. Let's sing the months of the year. Are you ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. That's right. What month is it at the moment? In a full sentence with it is November. That's right, it is November. What month comes after November? December comes after November. What month comes after January? February. After March? April. After June? July. Well done. Fantastic. Can you show me this many fingers? You ready? 3 fingers. Can you show me one more than 3? It's a bit of new learning. That's 3. One more is 4. Well done. So I'm going to ask you one more. You ready? Can you show me that many fingers? Can you show me one more than that? One more than 2 is 3. Can you show me that many fingers? Well, what numicon is that? Can you show me one more than that? One more than 4 is 5, the number that comes after it. Show me, I'm going to do one less, that's putting one finger down. Show me that many fingers. Show me one less. So put one finger down. How many are left? 1 less than 4 is 3. Well done. Can you show me that many fingers? Can you show me one less? What's 1 less than 1? Put it down. None at all. Well done. So we are on our final day of looking at numbers to 5. Okay, numbers to 5. And we're going to finish today by making sure that we can count to 5, that we can recognise that numbers to 5 can be represented in different ways, with numicon, with cubes, with tomatoes, with apricots or spoons or cups or anything. And that we can also, today we're going to write the numeral 5, but let's start with our song. Do you remember our song? Use your fingers. Here they are. Look at them all. Ready? 5 little speckled frogs. Are you ready? 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2, 3, 4 green speckled frogs. 4 speckled frogs here and 1 in the pool. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2, 3 green speckled frogs. 3 on the log. How many in the pool? 1, 2. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1, 2 on the log, 2 green speckled frogs, yum, yum. And 1, 2, 3 in the pool. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog, yum, yum. 1 on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the pool. There they are, all in the pool. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs, yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs, yum, yum. Are there no green speckled frogs? Where have they gone? They're in the pool. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are all in the pool, but there were none on the log. But still, 0 and 5 all together still make 5. Let's have a look at those in a bit more detail on our little picture here. I've got some frogs here. I've cut them out and I've put them on the log. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a 5 frame underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the log and none on the 5 frame. When 1 jumps into the pool, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the log and 1 in the pool. 4 and 1 make 5 all together. Let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 in the pool, 4 in the log. When 2 are in the pool, 1, 2, there are 1, 2, 3 left on the log. 3 on the log and 2 in the pool, and 3 and 2 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. When there are 3 in the pool, there's 1, 2 on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 2 make 5 all together. And when there are 4 in the pool, there's 1 left on the log. Here he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. 4 in the pool, 1 on the log, 4 and 1. And when that one goes in, there are 0, none on the log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the pool. And we can represent those 5. We have said we've used a 5 frame before, which is very similar to how I had there. But you can also put those all on the top of a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number is that on the 10 frame? Tell your grown up. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. And what number is that on the 10 frame? It's 1. And what number's that? Tell your grown up. It's 4. So that's using a 10 frame. We have said that we can place towers on to our number line like this. 0 has got none on it. There's 1. I'll put it that way. You can see them go taller. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's everything that we've been doing with the towers getting 1 more each time, or as they go down from 5 down to 0, they go down 1 less each time. We can also use Numicon. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've said that we can place counters in to count. I'll just count the one with the 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last of all, 5. So we can use those. We could use the pegs at school. We can count with anything. We could count with spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I'm ever struggling to count objects, because sometimes when they're in a muddle like that, it's hard to count. Which ones have I counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do I do to make sure I'm getting it right? Can you remember? I put them in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I'm unsure, I can move them a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know the last number that we say is how many we have got all together. Now I have got some cards here, look, and I want you to see if you can see how many there are. Can you tell you're grown up? Can you see it straight away? That's 4. What about that? Can you say it straight away? It's 3. How many's there? That looks a lot more to me. It's 5, and if I was unsure, I can put those down and I can put counters on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't matter if you don't have counters, you can use pieces of pasta or coins. How many's on that one? Just 1. And what about that? That's 2. And we can look for things when we're out having a walk outside. So we could look for acorns, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we see in autumn. We can look for stones and make collections. 1, 2, 3, make a collection outside. Flowers, these are little daisies that grow in the grass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numbers are everywhere. How many do you see there? Just 1. How many pine cones? 1, 2. We can count absolutely anything, and we know that numbers can be represented in all sorts of ways. So they can be represented as a numeral, a word, or even pictures. And we've said before that we can represent those with just spots. So here's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they can be set out in different ways. So for example, this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that's 5. They're not exactly in the same place, but there's the same number of spots in a different position. That's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same number of spots in a different position. That's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so is that. So the last thing that we're going to do today is to practice writing the numeral, and we've done really well with all our numerals so far. So keep practicing, and I know they're tricky, but you do get there if you practice. So let's start off with our easiest one, shall we? The numeral 1, the one we like to write. 1 straight soldier, just one line down like that. That is nice and easy. 2, just make sure you start it the right way round, like the duck, overhead, down her back, give her a tail. Number 2, and see if you can get a nice little point there. Number 3, just like the side of a teddy. When you come to the middle, try and go along the same bit of the line there to do number 3. 4, this is one that we've just learnt. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. So that leaves us with our new one for today. Now, I like to think that 5 is getting ready for a party. Maybe it's going to be number 5's 5th birthday party. And this one's got a hat on it and a big tummy from eating lots of chocolate cake. We're going down his back, around his tummy, and give him a hat. Down his back, around his tummy, and give him a hat. So have a go at writing the numeral 5. Remember the little rhyme? Start here, down his back, around his tummy, and give him a hat. I'll show you one more time. Down his back, around his tummy, and give him a hat. It's one to practice, because if you haven't had your 5th birthday, you're soon going to be 5. So a really good one to practice. Have a lovely day, children, and really looking forward to seeing you back at school, and see how much today you can count up to 5 objects, laying them out in a line to make it easier. Get collections of things, write the numeral 5, try 5 in different ways with spots, and seeing how good you can be with your numbers before you come back to school. Have a lovely day then, children. Bye.